Hi guys, welcome to Creations by Karen. It's day 5 of the 20-day Christmas craft countdown. And today we are going to stuff a mug. I got this mug at my local Dollar Tree. They got some really cute mugs this year. First thing we're going to do is take off this tag off the bottom. And make sure that you do this fairly slowly because you want the entire thing to come off. All right. There we go. That's done. Now, the second thing we're going to do is put some fill in here. I got this fill decorative shred at my local dollar store. I don't remember if it was Dollar Tree or Dollarama, one of the two. I don't remember. But you just want to take about, I don't know, this much and stick it in the bottom of the mug. And then we're going to stuff it. Okay, so I got this biscotti at my local dollar store. 11 sticks in here. Stick it in the back. And then I got some Rocky Road Gourmet Village hot chocolate that I got at my local Bulk Barn. So stick that in there. There we go. So I'm trying to, maybe I'll turn this around. The biscotti's on this end. Okay, my local, my hot chocolate's in there. And then I want to put a couple of other things in there. So I thought I would put Werther's Original Caramel hot candies. Stick that in there. And then I got these really cute snowman and tree lollipops at my local dollar store, and so I'm going to put it in here too. One of these in there. And you get six in a package for $1.50, which is pretty good, I think. All right, and I really like the snowman. So I'm going to put that snowman in here. Just like that. Okay, how does that look? That looks cute. Okay. So now we are going to wrap it. So I'm going to put this aside for a second, and I've got some clear, what do you call this? Clear, help me out here. I'm having a brain fade. Clear wrap. Okay, let's just go with the clear wrap. And I got this at Michael's, because I'm going to do a lot of these. And so I got a fairly large roll, and you can get these also at your local dollar store. Clear wrap. I'm just going to cut a generous amount off. There we go. Put that aside for a moment. And what I like to do is I like to put this kind of on an angle. So I'm just going to put this on an angle like so. And then I'm going to take my mug and I'm going to place it right in the center. Let's see if it's centered. So then I bring my bottom and my top together like this. This is fairly tall, so might have to cut some off, but I just wanted to make sure I had enough. Okay, so I just come down and pinch here, and then I bring the sides together. Here and this side. Just like that. Okay, now there's too much. There's too much going on up here, but I'm going to fix that. So I just take a zip tie and I'm going to zip this closed. So you just come around, and before you snug this up, so I put it on my zip tie. There you go. So I've got it fairly snug, but not all the way. And what I'm going to do is just some of this off because it's too high. And that's the only problem with buying the Michaels clear wrap, is that it's really long. But it's what I had. So I'm just going to cut this off. There, that looks better. And then I'm going to, before I tighten it up all the way, I'm just going to pull this up. And then I'm just going to snug this up at the back. I'll turn it around so I can show you. My zip tie's in, and you can see everything in there. There's the back of it with the biscotti showing, and the front got the hot chocolate. Then I take my nippers. I got these at uniqueinthecreek.com. Okay, so just make it pretty now, all right? So I ordered these on Temu, and they're just tags, Christmas tags. And I think it's important, I'm going to be selling these at my craft show, to make sure that it's all ready to go. So it comes with some twine, and this is the different, with the different tags. Let it snow. What color is my... I kind of like this Nutcracker. It's cutie. Little Nutcracker on here. So I just take a piece of twine. Try to find the end if you can. There we go. I'm just going to cut this. So I make these every year for my craft shows, and they go really, really well. As long as you put good stuff in there. All right. So, and I've been watching at Costco to see if they've got their biscotti cookies in there. Haven't got them yet, but so what I'm going to do is just come in through hole. Whoops. Let's go to this side here. Take your time, I guess. It's important. Just so this stuff shreds. Let's see. There we go. That's better. So I'm going to put this on here. And this is blank on the other side, so they can put to and from on here. And I'm just going to attach this to the front of my cup. And I tie it at the back. Okay, so just one tie is fine. And I like it kind of to sit down if it can. So just, and I do like 3 knots at the back. I'll spin it around so you can see how I've made my 3 knots. And I just cut this off. Just like that. And we need a little ribbon. And I've got this buffalo plaid. It's really popular. Red buffalo plaid. And I got the red in the cup, so I think it'll go well. So I just take a generous amount off. Just cut it. And I just want to come around the back. Now what I like to do is fold it. Make sure it's in the middle. And I come around to the back like this. And that's covering up that twine that I put on here. And I'm just going to make a nice simple bow. There you go, see? Simple bow, and I'm just going to make a couple of nice size loops. Just like that. Make it pretty. This is double-sided, which is great. So you don't have to worry about double-sided ribbon, of course. So you don't have to worry about having to twist it. And I really like double-sided. It just makes things a lot easier. Just make sure you're bow looks good, like that. And then I'm going to ducktail my ends. Ducktailing means coming, now I want to go right to the edge of that cup. And that side is done. Come to the edge of the cup. There we go. And I just fluff it out a little bit. And that's done. What do you think, guys? Give me a thumbs up. All right. It's a pretty easy, simple craft to do. And I'm going to be, of course, putting them in my craft show. So make sure you like and subscribe. And hit that notification button so you know every time I come on and do a tutorial. Number 6 of my 20-day craft challenge is tomorrow. So make sure you tune in for that. And until then, have a great day. Love you all. Bye now.